Hey y'all, what is up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making soul food style green beans with red potatoes and smoked neck bones. Praise God. This right here is some good eating, and guess what y'all? We're going to cook all of this right here in the crock pot. This recipe is perfect for the cooler months, and this is great for the holiday season. I hope you guys are ready. If you're new here and you want to cook with us, go ahead and click the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell, and let's get cooking y'all. These right here, you guys, are considered gold in the South, okay? A prized possession, pork neck bones. Right here, you guys, we have some smoked pork neck bones. When you see this stuff, you know that some real soul food cooking is about to happen, okay? Ain't nobody playing around with these. These are pork neck bones, which have a great pork flavor, and we're going to cook these down tender in our crock pot, low and slow. We're going to cook these in chicken stock, of course, to add even more flavor. Place your slow cooker on low heat, and we're going to let these cook overnight for about 8 to 10 hours, or until they are tender and falling off the bone like this right here, y'all. Once our neck bones are cooked, you guys, we are going to begin breaking them apart. So we're going to remove them from our crock pot and place them into a bowl. Next, you guys, we are going to shred this meat using 2 forks, and look at this right here, baby. She ain't playing. These neck bones are so tender, melt in your mouth tender, honey. While we are shredding our neck bones, we're going to make sure to remove those bones, because you know we ain't trying to make nobody choke or nothing. You know that ain't what we're trying to do. So make sure you get all of them, and we're going to place this tender smoked meat off to the side. Next, you guys, we're going to work on our red potatoes. So right here I have some cute little baby red potatoes. We're going to wash these and grab a knife. We want to quarter our red potatoes or cut them into 4. This will ensure that our potatoes do not lose their shape. We want fit potatoes, okay? We want them to stay intact once we place them in the crock pot with all of our other ingredients. Now that we have those potatoes done, go ahead and add those into your crock pot along with the neck bones that we just shredded. So we got our stock in there, we got our smoked neck bones and our red potatoes going. Go ahead and grab your green beans. I am using 2 family style cans of green beans, so the large cans. I'm just using the original cut green beans today, but you can use the French green beans, the Italian style cut. I love both of those as well. But today, y'all, we're going to keep it simple and use our original cut green beans. All of the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out. Okay guys, so we taking roll right now. We got our red potatoes in here, we got our neck bones in here, and we got our green beans in here. We are good to go. Now we're going to flavor this up, y'all, because we are making soul food style green beans. We ain't making no regular beans. We are not average. We're going to give them some character, some flavor. Into this crock pot, we're going to go in with 4 tablespoons of salted butter and let that butter start to warm up. Get to know everybody that's already there. It's going to start to release a lot of flavor, and then we're going to add in a little bit of sugar just to cut through all of that richness from the stock, the butter we just added, and our pork neck bones. Once you have that in there, hit it with a little bit of salt and pepper to make sure it is seasoned really good. And we're going to cover this with the lid and continue to cook for an additional 2 to 3 hours. This will give our green beans some time to soak up all of that flavor, all of that goodness that we put into our crock pot. And when this is done, you will have a line at your door, honey, with open hands and empty stomachs. These green beans right here, you guys, are savory, flavorful, and meaty from our smoked neck bones. They are so rich and delicious. You can taste the richness from that butter, and it's like those smoked pork neck bones just released everything, honey. Once they got into that crock pot, they took a load off. They took all of that flavor and just put it into the chicken stock and said, here, you have this. I mean, come on, green beans. We did that. We did that, y'all. Soul food style green beans with red potatoes and smoked pork neck bones. These types of recipes bring me back home. They make me remember what I grew up eating, how I learned how to cook. They just warm my heart, and I hope that you guys get to experience that same feeling once you make this dish. Y'all have to make this for Thanksgiving, for the holidays, or just because you can, honey. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging and cooking with me on today. If you are not subscribed and you want to cook with us, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can join our family. And if you want new recipes, click that notification bell so that you can be instantly alerted whenever we are in the kitchen whipping it up. Don't forget to like this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all.